Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add Google Media page on the home screen in your Samsung phone. Today I'll show you two methods that you can use to add Google Media page on the home screen. Now for the first method, just touch and hold on the home screen and then just swipe left, and here you can see media page, which is Google Media page. If you want to add this page to your home screen, just tap on this icon and then go back, and it's done. Now go to home screen again. Now if I swipe left, and you can see it's enabled successfully. Now for the second method, just go to home screen again, then touch and hold it, and then go to settings. From here scroll down, and here you can find the option which is add media page to home screen. You have to just enable this option from here, and you can see it's enabled successfully. And that is how you can add Google Media page on the home screen in your Samsung phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.